Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you today on how you can make $100 a day with Temu. So I'll be showing you how you can do that in this video, so let's go ahead and get right into that. Now you can see here, we're currently on Temu. Now if you haven't already created an account with Temu, you can go ahead and create one with Google account or your email. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and log into your account and head over to the U page here. You can find this at the bottom of the Temu app here. Once you do click the U page, make sure you head over to the earn credits and free gift section here. Once you do click that, there's going to be two options. Should be the third and fourth option here, cash reward or redeem cash. You could use either of the two. I'm going to use cash reward here. So you could basically see that these people are getting like so much money off of this affiliate program here. So let me just go ahead and skip this here. It does take a little bit for it to load most of these, but you can press X here. So you can see here that we actually have 50 cash to PayPal here. If we go ahead and spin the wheel and whatever it lands on, it go ahead and gets added to our balance here. So you could basically make $100 a day just by sharing your link to people. All you have to do is go ahead and click invite here. You get 100 tokens per spin here, as it says. You can get up to 25 here. All you have to do is go ahead and copy a link. You can share it to people on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Basically, once you go ahead and do that, it does get added to your balance here, and you can basically go ahead and spin just so you get more cash. So I'll go ahead and spin here for an example. You can see here when I go ahead and spin, it's going to go ahead and add $3 to the balance here. And basically, once it does that, it's going to go ahead and get added to your current balance right there. So basically, once you go ahead and get the balance all the way to the preferred goal here, you'll actually get paid out $50 cash to PayPal, right? So every time you do this, you'll go ahead and get $50. You can make $100 a day, you can make $200 a day, you can make so much money, right? And basically, it's very easy. You can see here $50 to PayPal, very easy. So basically, that's how you go ahead and make $100 a day with Temu. It's very easy and it's super simple.